I just had a call with the CFO. He's got a meeting with the board and he has some questions. $300 million jump in excess inventory? Customer service issues at the same time? I mean, why did this happen? And what can we do to prevent it in the future?
It's the forecast accuracy, especially the mix level.
Is that the only problem, though? Can the mix accuracy be any better? And also, some of the excess is at the component level, and those are shared across SKUs. So it's not just the mix accuracy.
Yes, but those are parts where we made strategic buys because we had good pricing deals. We all agreed to this decision 3 months ago. That shouldn't be reported as excess.
Then why is there excess on these slow-moving SKUs and are still short on the high-volume SKUs? Are the inventory policies set right?
Well, we did set inventory targets at the start of the year, but conditions change and our processes don't update them frequently.
Wow, this was incredible, Steve. Let's look at the replay. See here, look. The midfielder misplaces the pass, the wide player doesn't commit, the defender intercepts easily. That's where the counterattack begins. And then the winning goal, all against a run of...
They've got video replay. We need that. A decision replay system. What decisions were made, what went right, what went wrong, and what we need to improve.